All right, guys, we're doing break number 2 of 2018-19 Leaf Best of Basketball. So this is a relatively new product. It's got one base card from Leaf in it, and then it's got one buyback card. So there are some major hits in here, including you got Jordan rookies that are graded like 9.5, which is like a $5,000 card or something. You've got a Gem Mint LeBron rookies. You've got autos in here. There's some big names. So let's see what we can get out of this one. This is going to be a random team break, so every spot gives you 3 random teams. So I've got Tori with 2 spots in this. I've got Chris P with 2. Tony's got 1. Brett S with 1. Ryan M with 2. And then Jason picked up the last 2 spots. All right, so let's go ahead and randomize the last name letters. Excuse me, let's randomize the teams, So all 30 teams are listed here. All right, every spot gives you 3 random teams. Let's randomize this 5 times also. All right, so Mike, let's see. Whoever's got the Bulls in here, it's going to be sitting pretty. So Brett S., you've got the Thunder, the Magic, and the Knicks. Make sure you guys can see that. Chris P's got the Heat, the Spurs, the Rockets, the Pistons, the Grizzlies, and the Nets. Jason with the Raptors, Kings, Hawks, Jazz, Golden State, and the Milwaukee Bucks. Ryan M's got the Wizards, the Hornets, the Pacers, the Cavs, the Celtics, and the Timberwolves. Tony's got the Trailblazers, the Mavs, and the Bulls. There you go, Tony. And then Tori's got the Nuggets, the Pelicans, the Lakers, the Clippers, the Sixers, and the Phoenix Suns. All right, here we go. I've got one more box of this that we'll do coming up in a couple weeks. Dude, there's a nice one on the back side of this. We got Dennis Rodman. That'll be a Bulls. Rocking the Bulls jersey on the front. And then how about this, dude? We got a 96 Skybox E X2000 Kobe rookie. Graded a mint 9. Dude, if his are worth what some of those Jordan ones are going for, like the Leaf Metal and stuff, those things are through the roof. So Lakers and the Bulls in this one. So that's going to be Tony with the base, and then the Lakers is going to be Tori. So Tori, nice hit for you, man. So we'll drop those in the mail to you guys tomorrow. And we'll do another box of this, like I said, coming up in the next couple weeks.